Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix contacts are not showing in WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp and your contacts are not showing in your WhatsApp app, so you just have to enable a setting. So go for settings, and settings just look for apps. Here's the app, select it, and here select see all apps, and then look for WhatsApp. Here's the WhatsApp app, just select it, and then go for permissions. Then select contacts. Here's the contact, just select it, and here you just have to tap on allow. But if you won't get the settings here, you have to make a simple step, which is keep a long press on your WhatsApp app, then open info icon, and here select permissions, and here look for contacts, select it, and then select allow. In this way you will be enabled the access of WhatsApp to your contacts. And that's how you can fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.